Behind me here, you'll see our TruLaser Center 7030, our TruStore 3030, both of which feed our TruBencel 5000. The 7030 is the workhorse of the Smart Factory. That machine almost never stops running. The beauty of it is that it has a brush table and it automatically separates the parts. The 7030 is powered by a 6 kilowatt laser, which allows the laser to keep up with the part separation. Any higher would be a waste. When the parts get automatically separated inside the TruLaser Center 7030, they are palletized and they're either shipped out of the cart behind me, where we take them to the end user or to powder coating, or they go back into the TruStore 3030 and will be transported into the TruBencel, where parts are brought in, a robot grabs them, bends them perfectly, and then palletizes them for us. Inside the TruStore 3030, we have 30 pallet positions, each of which can hold a little over 5,000 pounds, which means we have multiple truckloads of material storage space that we could load the tower up with, but we leave about 6 shelves for customer parts to be placed after they're cut when no one's here. For our customers, the reason why the 7030 is such a pivotal piece of equipment is because we can make their parts quicker, with higher quality, and with better bend tolerances than our competitors.